Hi guys, this is my first video because we got this camera for Christmas and we're gonna be making more videos. And my name is Georgie, and for Roblox my name is Stormy1100. If my brother's playing, that means I'm playing, basically. And maybe there might be a YouTube camera. And this is my sister Jessie.
I am a robot. Beep, beep.
We're all a little bit nervous going on YouTube. And then I've got my brother, Jamie, and Jamie.
What? I'm trying to cut this. These pipe cleaners.
And just get ahead.
My name will be on Roblox, Epic Ninja 1000 or
If you're on YouTube.
GG Gamer, Gamer Boy OMG.
Yeah, but here, GG Gamer Boy RMG is on when he's actually doing videos, when he's recording.
I am a robot from out. And I accept any friend request.
And I have to wrap it out now. And by the way, just to let you know, tomorrow we're going to do a review of our presents because we got this new camera today and that's why we're on YouTube right now. And we wanted to share our presents with you guys. So I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and we have to wrap it out now. But don't forget to subscribe down below and comment down below. And give it a big thumbs up. Well, you can see